Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so first of all, I'd like to just mention one of the options which I highly recommend to check frequently, and it is the system update. So try to find and try to install the newest update, because sometimes the older versions of the systems might interfere and might have some problems with new apps. So that was just a quick disclaimer, one of the tips, and another one is to actually check whether it is not running in the background. So for example, I've got a problem with Google Chrome. I'm trying to open it. It also tries to be opened, but after a second, it simply crashes. I cannot do anything. So what I highly recommend to do is to find it, of course, tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here, first of all, let's go to storage. Here we've got something called cache, and cache are junk files which are saved by your device. They are not necessary for the proper usage. However, they might interfere sometimes. So make sure that you will remove cache. Simply tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Tap on OK, and of course, you can try to open the app right now after removing cache. However, I highly recommend to simply force stop it before. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK, because if it is opened in the background and it was not properly closed, it might have some problems with working fine. So force stop it and try to open the app, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again, because usually here we've got the problems. I mean, with the app running in the background and the cache. You can also try to restart your device. That's probably the obvious advice, but usually it works. If that didn't work, I also highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might also have problems. So simply go to the Play Store. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. Go to search and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. So in my case, it could be Chrome. So if the update is available, your device will show you this information. As you can see, we've got this big blue button which is calling that there is the update. So simply tap on update, let your device download a new version and apply it. However, sometimes even though you will update the app, there also might be some problems, because your device will basically download the new version and overwrite it over the older one, and sometimes here there could be some problems there. So what I highly recommend to do then is to simply come back here, tap on the Google Chrome or whatever app, and instead of tapping on open or whatever, here you will have the option uninstall. So simply uninstall it, wait until your device will fully uninstall the app, and then try to install it again. If you wish, you can power off your device between uninstalling and installing to confirm all of the changes, and then install it again. Sometimes it will help, because your device will directly download the newest version, and it will directly install it and not overwrite the older one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.